Hi guys, welcome back to Module 2, Lesson 1. If you haven't already, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and put any comments in the comment box if you've got any, or any questions you might have for the course. Again, this is a 7-week course, 7 modules. We're doing a video a day. We're here to help, totally free, and take you through the A to Z's of crypto. So anyway, today I thought I'd take you through crypto exchanges. So we'll go through them one by one. So why would you use an exchange? So you use an exchange to send your fiat onto the exchange, your pounds, your euros, your yen, your USD. You'd buy your crypto, and then you'd send your crypto out to a decentralized wallet, like a hot wallet or a cold wallet, like we discussed in previous modules. You don't want to leave your money on exchanges. They're a target for obviously hackers, etc., because they hold large amounts of funds. And obviously, you don't. There's a saying in crypto: "Know your keys, know your coins." So if you leave your money on an exchange, obviously, and the exchange gets hacked, there's no protection for your money, and you're likely that your money is gone. For example, people that have just recently left their money on Celsius. Celsius is now with froze all withdrawals, possibly going into bankruptcy. So people that got their money on Celsius, including myself, although I took most of it off. Like the money is likely gone forever. So let's start with Binance. So let's say, for example, you've just signed up to Binance, you've verified your ID, you want to buy some crypto. Binance is very good because they're cheap fees. They've just made an announcement, actually, they're going to be doing free fees, so that's really good. So what you'd want to do, you'd want to come into Binance once you've verified your ID. You go to Wallet, you go to Deposit, and so you got fiat and spot, yeah. So for example, here we're going to click on Deposit, and see here now it's saying deposit crypto. Well, we don't want that. We want to go over to the right hand side to deposit fiat. So then you'd select GBP, for example, in the UK, and then you deposit the GBP. The reason it's not allowing me to do this is because this is one of my corporate accounts, but on a personal account, it'd have by year deposit a GP, so you'd select the amount you want to deposit, and then it'd give you the bank details for Binance. You'd send like £2 first to link your bank, and then you'd be able to send a larger transaction into Binance, and then you'd buy your crypto. So for example, now you've gone to your bank, you've set up the payment on your bank, you've sent the money to Binance, the £2 got in, you've sent like £1,000 now, say for example. So now we're in. So once we're in, you're going to go to buy crypto by here, and you've got a few options. See, so you've got bank deposit, you can use credit card, cash, etc. So I don't recommend you use credit card because you pay fees and that, and they can block that a lot of the times. You're better off using your bank for fast payments. So they're your options. After that, you want to go to wallet, trade, and we're going to go to spot, and you're gonna basically choose the coin you want to buy. So let's just say I want to buy Bitcoin. I'll type in BTC. Or an easier way to do it, if you've got pounds, type in GBP, and this shows you all the pairs. You've got GBP USDT, GBP ADA, etc. Let's just say we want to buy Bitcoin though, GBP to BTC. So we're in there. We're going to go down then, and then here, let me just move myself over a little bit. Here, see, then you could select market. You'd select, say I wanted to buy a pound. Obviously, I've got no money here. You'd bring up on the other side. You'd select buy, and you buy your Bitcoin. Now to view your Bitcoin, you go back to the wallet overview. Bear with me. Is that gone? Fiat and spot. So you'll see here that your Bitcoin will sit here. So for example now, right, let's just say I had Ethereum in my wallet, right? I just bought some Ethereum and I wanted to send it out. I wanted to send it out of my wallet. You click on withdraw, okay? And then you'd need an address. So basically, what a whitelisted address is like saving addresses in Binance. So for example, you'd save it in so that they're the only addresses that can be used, for example. So like a saved number in your phone book, but you can restrict what can be used in the wallet. So, for example, you could say only these addresses can be done. You could set like a 24-hour lock on for any brand new addresses. Obviously, this would be an extra way to stop hackers from obviously getting into your account and withdrawing money, giving you the opportunity to block that. I'd also recommend you always turn on two-factor authentication. Google Authenticator is a good app to use. So you've got that extra layer of security. Don't use mobile SMS as authentication, because SIM cards have been swapped before or stolen, and phones have been hacked and cryptos have been stolen. So you always want to use something outside of that, because mobile providers have been known to send out SIM cards to the wrong people. So don't make that mistake. So don't use SIM card 2FA. Always use Google Authenticator, or you could use something like a YubiKey, which is another level, which is like a hardware version of two-factor authentication that you pull in and pull out every time you need the code. So let's just say we want to add in an address, right? So we click on add address. So I want to add in an address for Ethereum. So say, for example, I want to send an address, right, to an external wallet. So for example, let's just pretend we're going to use MetaMask. So we go here to the little fox. What you would do, you'd grab your address here. So MetaMask is only for Ethereum tokens. So ERC20 tokens, and you'd send them to MetaMask. So as an external wallet, you can link MetaMask to a hardware wallet as well, which gives you that extra layer of security. Or you can use it just as a hot wallet. So for example, this is your deposit address. All you do, you'd copy that address there, go back into Binance, you'd paste that address in. That's your MetaMask address. Let's just say we're sending Ethereum. Sorry, guys. You paste the address here. We'd call this, I don't know, MetaMask wallet, for example. So you know where it is. You'd select your network, which would be Ethereum, ERC20. Select the origin, so it'd be a wallet address. So MetaMask, okay. And then you'd whitelist that address. Once you've saved that address, you'll be able to send money to that address then, nice and easy. You don't have to keep re-entering the address. The address is always saved. For good reference, it's always good to double check the address before you send it, but it's pretty much there, other than sometimes when you use exchanges, they change stuff. I had an issue recently when I sent some USDC to Coinbase. It took about 2 months to arrive. I don't know why. Something happened with the address where they made a change, and my money didn't arrive. It did arrive eventually, but it took about 2 months for the developers in Coinbase to fix that error for me. So just be careful with that. So that would be it. So you'd send the money, and that's pretty much it. So that's Binance. The next one, which is a popular one, is Coinbase. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Little hack. This is standard Coinbase. The fees are a lot higher on this Coinbase. So what I'd recommend you do, once you sign up for Coinbase, I'd use Coinbase Pro. The fees are a lot cheaper on Coinbase Pro. And yeah, they've got plenty of tokens you can use. The only downside is, though, obviously this is current at the moment. You could use Coinbase Pro, but there's been recent news that Coinbase are merging with Coinbase, and they're shutting down Coinbase Pro, and it's going to merge back together. So I'm not sure what happened with the fees there, but Coinbase Pro is available at today's date. So yeah, so again, in Coinbase, for example, it'd just be the same thing. Go to assets. Let me close that. Also, there are so I said MetaMask, you can use a wallet for Ethereum tokens. You can also use Coinbase Wallet, they're pretty much the same thing. So Coinbase Wallet is another option as well if you want to use a hot wallet, which has got DeFi capabilities as well. We'll go into DeFi in later modules, which is DeFi stands for decentralized finance. But yeah, so for example, Coinbase, let's just say I got some Ethereum here. I want to click on send here. Let's just say I want to send $1 of Ethereum. I'm going to put the address in, so I'm going to go back to my MetaMask again. I'm going to copy that address, paste it there, continue. So obviously, I haven't got enough for the minimum amount by the look of it. But with this, if I can go a bit more. How much of Ethereum have I got on there? Let's just try $5. Continue. See if I've got enough. Yeah, so basically, I'd be sending Ethereum to this wallet. The network fee is 0.000609, and it estimated is 10 minutes. So all you do, click send. A good way to check your wallet to confirm. If you look at the first couple of letters on the last, so let's have a look. OX8C B1EF. So let's have a look at the wallet. So you see OX8C, and then at the end B1EF. There we are. So you're just confirming that, and then you just click send, and you send the money across. So that covers Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. What I'll do as well, I'll paste below all my referral links for all these platforms. So if you do use any of these and you buy crypto, we'll both get a bonus. Like £10 a Bitcoin or whatever each. So the next one then is Gemini. It's more of a United States one, highly regulated by United States. So Gemini is another one. So again, you can buy Bitcoin on Gemini. You can deposit to Gemini. So you just click on transfer, deposit to Gemini. Again, you basically just link your bank, and then you go from there, do the same thing. Or let's just say you were going to deposit Bitcoin, same thing. And you click continue. You get your deposit address there. Say you were sending Bitcoin into Gemini from an external wallet, like Trust Wallet, for example, or Exodus, like I said in other videos. You'd use this deposit address here, copy that into your Trust Wallet to send the Bitcoin over, and you send the Bitcoin over. Same thing if you wanted to withdraw. So you go to withdraw. So let's pretend we were going to withdraw Ethereum. I don't have any Ethereum to withdraw, so I can't use that, for example. So Bitcoin, again, I'd go to the Bitcoin wallet, I'd paste the address, let's pretend it was the Ethereum address. Obviously, we know that's the wrong address. If I sent it to that address, my Bitcoin would be lost forever. Always make sure you send into the same network. So, for example, make sure you're sending Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, Ethereum on the Ethereum network. Always make sure you're using the correct network. So that's Gemini. Another one I use is Kraken. So with Kraken, for example, it's nice and easy. Again, you'd go to buy crypto. And let's just say I wanted to buy Avalanche, or add a card. So if I haven't got any money on the account, I'd have to send money into my account first. Payment methods. So add a card. There is a way to add your banking as well. Same thing with Kraken. You can add your banking. You can use a mobile app as well for all of these. I'll paste a link for Kraken as well. Should be the same thing. So let's just say I was on here and I wanted to buy some tokens or send some tokens. So I got, say, Polkadot by here. You could stake on Kraken as well. You could stake on Binance. If you wanted to earn a bit of yield, you can stake on these platforms. If you don't want to put it in your external wallet, but obviously understand the risks. I'll cover staking in another module, but it's another thing you could do too if you want to earn yield on your crypto. But again, like I said, Celsius is just in the middle of going bankrupt, highly likely. Celsius is CFI, centralized finance. So it's just the opposite of DeFi, as it's got controllers behind the system. So again, let's just say I wanted to withdraw Polkadot. I click on withdraw. Okay. You select the amount you want to draw. So let's just say 25%. I haven't got enough in here again. I click on withdraw. It gives me the opportunity to select the address I'm sending it to. Make sure you're using a Polkadot address in your external wallet, like your Exodus, your Trust Wallet. Or your Ledger Nano, whatever you use, if you're using a cold storage wallet, or your Trezor, and then you just send it across. So yeah, that pretty much covers that, guys. Hope that helps. So that is exchanges. There are plenty of other exchanges. I'll cover those in further modules. But if you went to say CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you'll get a list of all the exchanges. There's loads. There's Gate.io, Bittrex, Bitfinex is a big one. FTX is a big one. Crypto.com is a really big one on the mobile app. So yeah, anyway, hope that helps, guys. So that's exchanges, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.